Right, I don't know if you're like me, as you get older your eyesight's getting worse. When it comes to welding and wearing the helmets, and I can't see what I'm welding, it's that dark. It's just, I don't get how people can see. I even put a lamp on top of the LED lamp on top of the helmet. That made no difference, and it was driving me screwy. Well, I got a pair of glasses from the pound shop. To be honest, I think these are women's. But they're so men's, and I didn't notice until just now actually. So I thought, okay, if I take the lenses out of those, and it's something I've done before, but I can't find my old Bolle glasses. So you just pop the lenses out, which is easy enough. It doesn't matter if you break the frames when they're that cheap. And I popped the lenses over the top of the Bolle glasses, and where they were too big, you can see the inner rubber line on the inside of these. Where they were too big, I just marked off along the edge with a sharper the thickness I needed to take off, and I took it down slowly, bit by bit, just using a Dremel and a sanding barrel, until I got to the desired size. And so you can see like a rubber inlay there, and now watch it prove me wrong, and they pop in, and it's cool. I don't know if this is something, or should I say you shouldn't do, but I've done it, and I can now see out my Bolle glasses for welding. It's just a tip I thought I would share. Give it a go. I mean, if you've got these type of glasses, then what's it going to cost you for a cheap pair of glasses? You know, £1, £2. That's my tip. And they fit perfect. I can actually see out of them, so I'm really pleased. So I'll give them a go when I'm welding. I'll let you know what's what. It's got to be that, you know, if your eyesight's not good and you've got those proper reading glass lenses in there, then it's a win-win, surely.